This is the new commercial electric Shoplight that I got from Home Depot. I bought this just today, a few hours ago. Here it is. 4-foot LED, heavy duty Shoplight. Black nickel, bright white, linkable, plug-in, maintenance free, light shines. I got this for a restaurant that needs this installed. So they have T8s right now, 2 of them, that are lighting up the back area of the restaurant, and they just died. So instead of them having to change out bulbs all the time, I decided to try this and go with this for them. It has 5,500 lumens. So I'm going to unbox it for you, show you what it has in it, just give you an idea of what's up with the unit. Alright, so let's do this real quick. I'm going to put it back here because obviously it's a 4-foot box. Let's see what's in it. That's it. So that's in the box. Just so you guys can see the back of the box, let me show you. That's the back of the box right there. Okay. Let's see what else is in this box. Let's see what else is over here. So Alright, use and care guide, of course, right here. Hopefully this works for me, for my application. We'll see tomorrow night. I have to install it, so then we'll find out tomorrow night what we're going to be doing. That's going to be fun. Oh good, they give you a chain in here. I didn't know that. That's cool. That's awesome. They give you a chain. Very cool. I like that a lot. That's awesome. Okay, here's a link to link some lights together, I guess. Here's an end cap to stick it inside the end cap. This must be the adapter to plug it in. So you can't give it 120 volts. Is this a transformer or something? This is just weird. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's not a transformer. Anyway, so that's what this is, and you plug this in here, I guess. Maybe this side into there, I guess. Yep, that's it. Okay. So you plug that into there, plug that into the wall. I guess you just plug that right into here. Oh, okay. I guess it only goes in one side, maybe, unless I'm retarded. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to plug this in. Ow. So we plug that in, and I want to test that. We got to test this and make sure this is 120 volts in here, just in case I need to cut this and deal with something. I need to know that this is 120 volts coming out of there. Otherwise, we're going to have big problemos. Anyway, so I'll do that after, not on camera. I'll figure that out. So if you have a question and want to know if this is 120 volts coming out of here, then let me know. I think it must be. I think that's just a special plug, but you never know. So, let's see if it goes on. All right, it's on. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. That's my plan. I'm gonna turn off the lights, and let's see. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys, and then we'll see how bright it gets. I'm not gonna hang it on the ceiling right now. Alexa, turn off kitchen.
Okay.
All right, let's make it dark in here. Yeah, I'll probably step on something. Anyway, let's pull this out. Let's see what's up. All right. So this is what it looks like. That's how bright the room just got, which is pretty bright. This is going to be hanging on a ceiling, obviously. So we should get a decent amount of light. This is going to go up on a ceiling like this, really high up in the air. I thought it was going to be brighter than this, honestly, actually. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. I thought it was going to be brighter. It says it's as bright as 3, right? Replaces 332 watts. This replaces 332 watts. You think so? Yeah? Maybe. I don't know. Do you guys think so? I don't know. I don't know. That's just a little review for you guys. Another test I want to do is, let's see if this stays on if I plug it back in. That's another test that I have to do. Thank God. All right, perfect. So I'm going to be able to use this as long as I convert the switch to an outlet. I'll be able to use this, and that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to make a video on that, but I'll try. Let's turn on the lights here and turn off that light, because that's probably blinding. Well, actually, let's see. This is it from far away. All right? So you guys can see. Okay? I am about, what, 15 feet away from it, maybe? I guess? 16 feet, I don't know, something like that away from it. And that's what it looks like, so you get your own opinion, like I said. I mean, it looks bright, I don't know. It does look brighter, I guess, on camera than it does. Let's see. Hopefully it's good. So we'll know tomorrow night, and maybe I'll do a video on that. Thank you, everybody, for watching. And like I said, subscribe to my channel for some other reviews on some other stuff that I get, so you can make your own opinion if it works for you, or for some other do-it-yourself projects that I do sometimes. All right? Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day.